Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Here in this video, I will give you very interesting puzzle solutions. Can any one of you also solve this math puzzle in a few seconds? Okay, without wasting any time, let's start my first puzzle. Here my first puzzle is, let's have a look. X plus y equals 19. X minus y equals 7. Then what would be the value of x multiply y? Can you answer this puzzle in a few seconds? I am giving you a 1 minute to solve this puzzle. After 1 minute, I will give you live for this puzzle. I am giving you a hint for this puzzle. Here we have two equations. I have to solve these two equations by elimination method or by substitution method. It's your choice what you choose, elimination or substitution method. After using elimination method, we will find a value of either x or y. When we find the value of either x or y, we will substitute this value in any of these equations. This is our choice. We can substitute it in either of these equations. Okay, if you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now I am giving you a live proof of this puzzle. Don't hurry. Here we have x plus y is equal to 19. This is my equation 1. X minus y is equal to 7. This is my equation 2. Now when we use elimination method, let's check. When you use elimination method, we will add these two both equations. When we add these two both equations, y will be eliminated. Now we will add these two x's. Here coefficient of x is 1 and again coefficient of x here is 1. Now we add these two both x's, it will become 2x is equal to 19 plus 7, it will become 26. Now to find the value of x, I will divide both sides by 2 to get the answer of x. Divided by 2, 2 will be cancelled out here. Now when we divide 26 by 2, it will become 2 1 the 2 and 2 13 the 26. So value of x here is 13. Now I have found the value of x. Now I will substitute the value of x in any of these equations. I will prefer my equation 2. Let's check. Okay, great. Now second equation, let's take second equation. Value of x is 13 minus y is equal to 7. This positive x come to this side, it will become negative 7. And this negative y comes to this side, it will become positive y. Simply subtract these two numbers. 13 minus 7, it will become 6. So value of x here is 13 and value of y here is 6. Now substitute both values in our required equation, which is x multiply y. Let's check. I am solving here in front of you. X multiply y is equal to 13 multiply 6. So what would be the answer? Simply I will multiply in front of you. If you don't remember the tables, you can multiply these two numbers. 13 by 6. 6 times 3 equals 18. 1 carry. 6 1 are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So answer of very interesting math puzzle here is 78. I hope you enjoyed the puzzle solution. If your answer also 78, then hit the like button and comment it in the comment section. Okay, now shifting to my next puzzle. Next puzzle is 90 plus 30 divided by 10. minus 4. So what would be the answer of this puzzle? Are you very genius to solve it in a few seconds? If you are genius, then you will solve this puzzle in a 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, if you have solved this puzzle, then answer in the comment section. Now I am giving you a live proof of this puzzle. Here I have 3 operations: plus, division and subtraction. What will be do first? According to BODMAS rule or PEMDAS rule, here I am writing. I will do my division first, then addition, then subtraction. Firstly, we will divide these two both numbers. 90 plus, when we divide 30 by 10, it will become 3 because 10 times 3 equals 30, minus 4. 90 plus 3. According to BODMAS rule, I have to add these two numbers first, then I will subtract the answer from the output. 90 plus 3 equals 93 minus 4. So what would be the answer of 93 minus 4? I am doing subtraction in front of you. Those students who can't subtract these two numbers mentally, I am doing subtraction for them. Here I can't subtract 4 from 3, so I have to take a carry from the next number, which is 9. So it will become 8. Now it will become 13. So what would be the answer? 13 minus 4 equals 9. And this is remaining 8. 93 minus 4 equals 89. Is your answer also 89? Please hit the subscribe button too and like this video. Okay, great. Shifting to my next puzzle. This is my last puzzle of this video. In this video, I have given you 3 puzzle solutions. Here, my last puzzle is 7 plus 7 divided by 7 multiply 7 minus 7. Can you solve it in a few seconds? Isn't it very easy and interesting? Am I right? Here we have 4 operations. All 4 operations. You have to decide what should be used first. Division, multiplication, addition or subtraction. Okay, now your time is over. I am giving you a hint or solution for this puzzle. I will do my division first because according to BODMAS rule, here let's check 7 plus, when we divide 7 by 7, it will become 1 because 7 times 1 equals 7. Obviously, multiply 7 minus 7. All the remaining equation will remain same. Now I will do my multiplication first. Here 7 plus 7 times 1, 7 minus 7 is equal to. Now what should we do? 7 plus 7 equals 14. What is remaining? Minus 7. And obviously we all know that when we subtract 14 by 7, it will become 7. So answer of very interesting math puzzle is 7. Oh my god, too much 7 here. I hope you enjoyed the puzzle solution. Okay, if you are still here, please hit the subscribe button, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Now take care of yourselves, stay connected and keep watching GeoMaths 26. Allah Hafiz.